Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview of this clear backpack. Now you might have an idea of what this could be used for. It's listed for school or special events, venues that require, from a safety standpoint, to have this clear. And that's pretty much the reason that I got this, because if I was going to go to, let's just say, a sporting event or basically somewhere where security is saying, hey, you have to have something clear to get in, they can quickly, it must be to keep the lines going quick, I'm not really sure. They can look in and make sure there's nothing that shouldn't be going into the venue there. So if that's what you're looking for, this is the video for you. Going to give you a quick overview of this. And so you can see here basically how sturdy it is. This has been used a number of times. Going to give you a close-up of the stitching. To me, that's always important to make sure this thing's going to hold up. And so you have these two metal zippers, so they're not plastic. They are definitely sturdy. They've held up to all the use I'm using it for. Usually, you know, some not just these, but just zippers in general. If they're plastic, they can bust easily, especially if you have, you know, young kids or somebody pulling on them. This one's here as well. So you have a double one here. So if you want to just leave it at the top, and if you're wearing it, if your friend or significant other, you know, you don't want to take it off, they can reach in the top and grab stuff. That's a convenient feature. Then you have the this big one on the back that goes all the way around. So you can have sort of a second storage area here. You have a net here, which conveniently holds a 12-ounce can just nicely, if you know what I'm talking about, or a bottle of water, or whatever you need to put in here that you want to get easy access to. One thing I like to do when I do reviews like this is to kind of give you an idea from a measurement standpoint, because the listings give you stats, but I like to get some kind of confirmatione. And so the bottom of this, the true bottom of this, is right at about 6.5 inches. That does not include this extra space that you have right here. That's basically just this section right here. And then the back section is right at 15 inches, you know, from the very tippity top of the bag right here. And then this pouch on the front is like 9 inches. And then I think I already gave you the depth of that. And then the width is right at about 10 inches. So you can put a lot in this. This is basically like a regular backpack if you were, you know, going to school or whatever, and you need to put it on there. Also, from the standpoint of just carrying it, you have a grip here like most traditional backpacks. You have your standard, I just call these standards because most backpacks have these, you know, slightly padded, which is fine. You know, you're not putting hundreds of pounds in this thing. I don't think that would hold it. And then you have your straps here to kind of cinch it up. And fits me. I'm kind of a big guy, athletic build, so my shoulders are kind of wide. Fits just fine. So if you're needing something to get you into events that needs to be clear, you need to put a lot of stuff, towels, water, anything that you're going to need to kind of get around for maybe a festival or something like this. This thing can hold a lot of stuff. It handles enough weight for all your stuff. Hopefully that helps.